Hello, children. Let us start our English period with an inspiring quote. So, children, what the quote says? Do it now. Sometimes later becomes never. Okay, children? So, do it now. Sometimes later becomes never. Okay? So, whatever you want to do it now. Okay? Don't wait for the next time. Okay, don't wait for next time. Whatever you wish to do, just try to do it, try to finish it now itself, because sometimes later becomes never. Okay, so today, children, we are going to start chapter number 4.7, the sword in the stone. The sword in the stone. Children, it is a legend. Okay, it means it is a traditional story set in ancient Britain. Okay, the sword in the stone narrates the story of King Arthur, one of the bravest and noblest kings of Britain. Okay, the sword in the stone narrates the story of King Arthur, one of the bravest and noblest kings of Britain. His journey from being an orphan means a child whose parents are dead. Okay, that is orphan. His journey from being an orphan to the king of Britain is traced in this lesson. Okay, so we are going to see the story, his journey from being an orphan child to the king of Britain. Okay, children, so let us start. So, children, yes, open your textbooks, page number 98. Are you all ready? It's a very lengthy chapter, children. Okay, so we are coming to the end of our textbook. Only one last poem is left, isn't it? 4.8. Yeah, so but this lesson is very lengthy one. Okay, so let us start page number 98, the sword and the stone. So, children, King Arthur, okay, famous in legends, means I told you traditional stories and history, as one of the bravest and noblest kings of Britain, grew up as an orphaned. Orphaned, again, I will tell you, a child who has lost one or both parents through death. Okay, orphaned child. Okay, has an grew up as an orphaned youth before destiny. That is, destiny means before fate. Okay, fate, the power believed to control events. The name destiny. Okay, so whatever is happening, it is according to the destiny, means according to our fate. Means it is said the power which is believed to control the events. Whatever is happening in our life, it is controlled by a superpower. Okay, that is called the fate, destiny, the power believed to control the events in our life. So, King Arthur, famous in legends and history as one of the bravest and noblest kings of Britain, grew up as an orphaned youth. Orphaned youth before destiny intervened. Intervened means got involved or came in between. Means the destiny, it came in between. He was living as an orphan child before destiny, that is fate, intervened. Means came in between or got involved. Okay, in the form of his protector and guardian. Okay, before destiny intervened, got involved in the form of his protector and guardian, Merlin the magician, to reveal his true identity to the people of Britain. Okay, destiny came in the form of protector and guardian as Merlin the magician, to reveal his to tell the true identity to the people of Britain. Okay, children. So, this is all we are going to see now in the chapter. Let us start. In ancient means still very old Britain, at a time when the land was invaded by wild barbarians. Invaded by means entered forcefully to occupy. Okay, invaded means forcefully entered by wild barbarians. Barbarian means wild and uncivilized people. Okay, they don't have any means manner. Okay, they behave like wild animals only, so they forcefully entered the land. Okay, so in ancient Britain, at a time when the land was invaded by wild barbarians. Okay, they occupied by wild barbarians. The good and noble Lord Uther fought them bravely and drove them away from his land. So, at the time when the land was occupied by the wild and uncivilized people, the good and noble Lord Uther, Okay, Lord Uthar. Lord means we can say, children, a man of noble rank. Okay, nobleman. Nobleman, Lord Uthar fought them bravely. He fought with them bravely and drove them away from his land. The people made him king of Britain. So he was their protector, the savior, no? Right, children? The people. So that's why the people made him king of Britain and gave him the title Pendragon. Okay, give him title Pendragon, meaning the dragon's head. Okay, title दिया उसको. What title? Pendragon. Pendragon meaning dragon's head. King Uthar Pendragon. So his name became King Uthar Pendragon. Ruled Britain wisely and well. Okay, the people were content. They were very satisfied. Okay, they were happy. They were satisfied. But very soon the king died. What happened? Very soon the king died. It was thought that he had been poisoned by some traitors. It was means it was thought that he was poisoned by some traitors. Traitors means people who go against the country. Okay, people who are against their country. So that kind of people, they poisoned him and he died. Okay, there was no heir to the throne of Britain. There was no successor. Means the person means if the king को अगर बच्चा होता तो what happened, that child would have sat on the throne of the king. Okay, that's why, but there was no successor, means there was no person after that king. So who will take the charge of the land, who will take the charge of the country, who will sit on the throne, because the king died. Okay, that's it. That is the meaning of heir. Heir means children successor. Okay, let us move forward. Next paragraph. Now children, I want to show you some images. Now children, this is the sword and the stone. Okay, this is the stone and the sword is kept. The sword is placed on the sword is in the stone. Okay. Next is, now see here I have got the Merlin the magician. Okay, this is the magician. I got this, I searched for this images and some images I got. Now children, this is Uthar Pendragon. Okay, Uthar Pendragon. Okay, now okay, as soon as means as I get the images, I have arranged them. So as we move forward the story, okay, one by one you will see the images. Okay children, so now we will move forward the next paragraph on page number 98. Okay, the powerful lords and knights who had been kept under control by King Uthar now began to demand that one of them should be crowned king of Britain. Okay, the powerful lords and knights. Now, lords and knights. Lords means, children, I told you, a man of the noble rank or of high office, a nobleman we can say. And knights means a member of royal family. These are all the children ranks given. Okay, knights means we can say Shurveer. In Hindi it is said Shurveer. So, the powerful lords and knights who had been kept under control by King Uthar now began to demand that one of them should be crowned king of Britain. So it is told that there was no successor. The king was not having any child, I think. Yes, that's why if child would have been there, he would have sat on the throne. Okay, but I think the king was not having any child. It is not given. No? King was so. It is said that there was no successor, so there was no one to sit on the throne. That's why these powerful lords and knights who were of the highest rank of noble family, okay, they began to demand that one of them should be crowned king of Britain. One of them should be made the king of Britain. Okay, rivalry grew amongst the lords. Rivalry means the fierce competition. Rivalry means, children, the fierce competition amongst the lords and the country as a whole began to suffer. So these powerful people, they began to fight among themselves. They were having some competition among themselves. Okay, the fierce competition were there. That's why they were fighting among themselves. But ultimately, who is suffering? The country is suffering. The people are suffering. The poor people, the common man, he is suffering. Okay, the rivalry grew amongst the lords and the country as a whole began to suffer. Okay, they were fighting among themselves, but because of that, the common people were suffering. Armed robbers. So what happened according to that? Means they were fighting, the people were suffering. So means what was happening there? Armed robbers roamed the countryside. There was no one to look after the country, na, to control the country. Okay, because the powerful people, they were having competition among themselves. So what happened? The all wrong things were happening inside the country. So armed robbers robbed the countryside, pillaging farms and fields. Pillaging means, children, looting. They were looting the farms and poor people. Okay, people felt unsafe and insecure in their own homes. Okay, there was so much looting and all these things were happening, that people, they felt unsafe and insecure in their own homes. Fear gripped the country. Fear grip means, fear means everywhere the people were very much afraid, they were scared. Fear grip means, take a firm hold of. So fear gripped the country and lawlessness prevailed means existed over the divided kingdom. Okay, divided kingdom. So people, they were fighting among the big people, powerful people were fighting among themselves, na. They were thinking that this part is my part, this part of kingdom is my part, this is his part. So the kingdom was divided. Okay, so the fear gripped the country and the lawlessness, there was no law followed anywhere in the country, and the lawlessness prevailed, existed over the divided kingdom. Okay, nearly 16 years had passed. Nearly how many years, children? Nearly 16 years had passed since the death of Lord Uthar. Okay, Lord Uthar, it is given, children, Lord. The spelling, I think it is some spelling mistake is there. No, spelling is okay. Okay, I thought it is wrong. Okay, Uther. Okay, Uther. Okay, so nearly 16 years had passed in the death of Lord Uthar Pendragon. Okay, he was given title Pendragon, Lord Uthar. All the lords and knights of Britain had assembled. They have gathered at the great church of London for Christmas. So nearly, so all this was happening, whatever I told, there was no law. So the fear gripped the country, the people were means looted by the robbers. Okay, so all this was happening. So nearly how many years passed? 16 years passed. The death of Lord Uthar. All the lords and knights of Britain had assembled at the great church of London for Christmas. Now came the Christmas. So they all gathered at the great church of London for Christmas. Okay.